Welcome to our budget PSU showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison between the Thermaltake Smart BX1 750W bronze and the MSI MAG A550BN 550W power supplies. Both units are certified 80 PLUS bronze, making them efficient choices for your PC builds. The Thermaltake model offers a robust 750W output, perfect for high-performance systems, while the MSI unit provides a compact 550W solution ideal for budget setups. We'll examine their features, pros and cons, and help you determine which power supply best meets your needs. Let's get started. The first category we will compare is power output. The Thermaltake Smart BX1 boasts a maximum wattage of 750W, making it suitable for high-performance gaming rigs and multi-GPU setups. In contrast, the MSI MAG A550BN offers a maximum output of 550W, which is adequate for standard office tasks and entry-level gaming. This significant difference in wattage is crucial for users planning to upgrade their systems in the future. Next, let's discuss pricing. The Thermaltake Smart BX1 is priced at $69, while the MSI MAG A550BN comes in slightly cheaper at $64. For budget-conscious consumers, the MSI option provides a more economical choice, especially for those who do not require the higher wattage of the Thermaltake unit. However, the additional power capacity of the Thermaltake may justify its higher price for certain users. Finally, we will look at the cooling solutions of both units. The Thermaltake Smart BX1 features an ultra-quiet 120mm dynamic bearing fan designed to maintain optimal temperatures while minimizing noise. On the other hand, the MSI MAG A550BN is equipped with a low-noise fan, which is also aimed at providing a quiet operation. Both units prioritize cooling efficiency, but the Thermaltake model may offer slightly better airflow due to its larger fan size. In conclusion, both the Thermaltake Smart BX1 750W and the MSI MAG A550BN 550W power supplies have their strengths and weaknesses. The Thermaltake unit is ideal for high-performance builds requiring more power, while the MSI option is perfect for budget setups. Consider your specific needs and future upgrade plans when making your choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.